Hello everybody, I welcome you today in the air-acoustic Windkanal at Mercedes-Benz. And this is for sure the right place to introduce you the aerodynamic features of our new Mercedes-AMG GT Black Series. From the beginning of the project, we have very ambitious targets. Our goal was to develop an aerodynamic concept that allows a two-in-one solution. In other words, we strove for an aerodynamic balance that meets both the requirements on road and racetrack. And the key for success is innovative active aerodynamics. At the front we have the new significantly wider inlet. This is a carryover from our GT3 race car. It increases furthermore the cooling efficiency and eliminates the needs of separate inlets for the wheel arch radiators, which are now supplied via the main air inlet. The aerodynamic profile extends forward and downward, increasing the Venturi effect underneath the car. We came up with the idea of an active, elastic, aerodynamic shape. The aero profile modifies its shape by increasing the driving speed. More elastic deformation means even more downforce. Here you can see ventilation openings of the front wheel arches through the louvers and lateral openings at the fenders. Both elements help to increase the level of downforce. Integrated cooling air ducts in the side member fairings and on the rear axle for brake cooling. On the hood we see the two outlets where we dissipate the hot air coming from the cooling system. The flow is redirected precisely around the A-pillars. In this way, the rear wing concept is perfectly exposed to the airstream. The double rear wing with a large upper wing panel interacts with a significantly smaller lower wing panel and provides best adjustment for any racetrack or driver skill level. Both wing boards are also manually adjustable in 3 steps for street or race use. Another detail in this context is the flap placed in the upper rear wing panel, which can also be electrically adjusted. It improved longitudinal and lateral dynamics. The wider wing support allows a lower flap position with the same amount of downforce, meaning a higher wing efficiency. The whole wing system is designed under the standpoint of lightweight. By doubling the projected surface area of the wings and modifying the profiles, we more than doubled the amount of vertical load. The bottom line is that we have achieved even further improvement compared to our AMG GT-R Pro. The extreme changes in design and technical features allowed us to increase the aero efficiency by more than 200%. The practical advantage is clear and convincing. What you get is the driving experience of a Nürburgring-born race car, also driven in public roads with a license plate. That would not be possible by simply copying race car features. That's why the technology transfer between racing and series takes place in both directions. And that's it from my perspective. I hope you got a nice impression of our new AMG GT Black Series.